Hey everyone, and welcome to another SEO tutorial. So this one is about Google My Business and specifically the photos that are inside of Google My Business. So once you're inside of Google My Business, you can come over here to the left, you can click on photos, and that'll bring up this page. And you'll see your individual images. So if we just go ahead and click on one, it'll load. Now we see in the upper right where there is an information tag. If we go ahead and click on that, it'll bring this up. Now here's the part that I want to show you. These categories. So right now you just see for ours, you can see at work or team. And if you click on these, of course it shows the check mark. It shows, okay, this is a picture of our team. Now obviously this wouldn't really be appropriate for ours for this specific case, but yours it may be, right? And if this is something that's going on at work, of course you can click that. So you can see that you can make that as the main category that it's in. You'll see that there's only one. Now yours might have more, especially if you have like a brick and mortar. So this list may be something more like by owner, by customer, 360, video, interior, exterior, product, or a picture of the team, or even identity. So again, this is another thing that's helpful to let Google know that you have your images uploaded, that you will be able to put these into the public eye so that when someone is searching for a specific thing that you offer, you have a better chance so that Google can categorize these properly. Thanks, and I hope this helps with getting you more information about your Google My Business images to rank better.